Hey everybody, this is a picoCTF challenge walkthrough. This is for where are the robots. So we are given a description that says, can you find the robots with a URL, a link, or yeah. So let's go ahead and go to this. So we're given a welcome page, where are the robots. So since this is web exploitation, let's first take a look at what's going on here. So we've got a header, we've got a link to a style sheet, not very interesting. We go to style.css. We can go here if you want. So let's just go to, okay, so body, div container, header. Down here we have flag. We have an entry in the CSS for flag, and its color should be red, so we know that the flag is going to be on here. Okay, let's go to console. Failed to load resource. The icon. That's fine. We don't really care about that. Here's style. There's fonts. If we go to network, this is the okay, so the web page is loading in the CSS and this. So not really anything that's too interesting here. Got some cookies here. Okay, so if we think about robots, right? So there's a file called robots, a robots text file, robots.txt, that you can put onto a web server that basically tells it basically tells web crawlers like Google to skip over certain endpoints in the web server to not index it. It's not going to block off anything, but it's just going to, it's there traditionally to help prevent the server from being overwhelmed from web crawlers. So let's go to robots.txt here and see if it exists. It does. Okay. So as you can see, there's an entry that disallows this HTML file from being indexed. So let's go ahead and go to it. For some reason I can't copy that. There we go. And here we go. We found the flag. Guess you found the robots.